guys, today we're going to be making a name glyph sticker for our sketchbook, inspired by the naming system of the ancient Aztecs. You'll need some full sheet labels, a set of markers, a black pen, and of course a pencil. So I'm starting to draw my Aztec name glyph in the upper left-hand corner of my label sheet. And I'm doing that because I want to leave some extra space in case I make a mistake or in case I want to draw some additional stickers when I'm done. My first step is going to be to copy the Aztec name glyph that matches with my birthday. And I looked this up online, and I'm just copying the name that corresponds with my birthday, which happens to be 6 Rain. Then I also need a nickname that's going to differentiate me from everybody else with the same birthday. And I'm making this based on other Aztec name glyphs that I've seen online. I'm creating a person in the style of Aztec art, which is pretty three-dimensional, almost a little bit cartoony. And my name glyph nickname is meant to represent that I'm creative. So my full Aztec name glyph reads 6 Rain, who is creative. My next step is outlining all my pencil lines in black pen. And you can see that I'm just going around all the lines that I drew. This is also a good opportunity to fix any mistakes if there's anything that you drew in pencil that you don't like. And then you can go back in and erase all the pencil lines. I tried to draw really lightly in pencil so that it wouldn't leave any marks behind after I was done erasing. And now I'm going to start adding color. I'm using colors that I saw online in a lot of my research on Aztec art. These were generally pretty bright colors. I'm using this gold. I'll be using reds, blues, greens. And there were certain colors that were really important in Aztec art and really commonly used, particularly green and kind of a turquoise or green-blue color. So I'm going to be sure to incorporate those colors into my name glyph as well. When I draw my person, I'm not trying to make it look like me. It's not realistic. Instead, I'm basing it on the characters that I've seen drawn in Aztec art. Because of that, I'm using black for the hair, even though that's not my hair color. But I want it to look similar to the drawings that I've seen online. I'm going to leave a few white spaces in the hair just to give it a little bit of texture and make it look a little bit more like hair. And you can get a little bit creative with this if you'd like, and make the hair look the way that you would like it to look. And now I'm going to go in with some green, which was another really important color in Aztec art. So I'm going to make the eye green and also the paint coming off of the paintbrush to symbolize creativity. And this thought bubble that I drew is based on a lot of the speech bubbles that exist in Aztec art. And now I'm just going to go back in, and if there's any little mistakes or areas where the outline doesn't look quite right, I can just fix those up. And finally, I'm going to make a little outline with my pencil just to show where I'd like to cut my sticker. I decided that I want to make mine into a rectangle with rounded corners. And if you want, you could cut around your shapes a little more closely and try to make your sticker shaped to the drawing that you did. But I just thought that mine would look a little nicer and cleaner if I made it a simple rectangle. The pencil lines are just there for a guide. You don't really need to follow them really closely. And you can always erase any pencil marks that you drew if any are remaining. And there we go. My sticker's complete. I can peel it off from my label sheet and stick it onto my sketchbook. And you can see I actually have a lot of my label sheet left over. So here, if I have time, I can draw a lot of little extra stickers, just any shapes that I want. I can make them inspired by Aztec art, or I can just make any little shapes that I think are fun. And there's my sketchbook with my Aztec name glyph sticker and all the other little stickers I created. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed making your Aztec name glyph sticker, and I'll see you next time.